Convincing the implant patient for the implant treatment is very important in dental implant practice. So many patients will not agree for your implant treatment because of the cost compared to other treatments we do in our daily routine practice. The implant treatment will be cost effective compared to other treatments like root canal treatment or complete dentures or whatever. Convincing the patient for this implant treatment is a paramount important thing for the dentist. So the first thing what the dentist has to do is we have to explain the patient about what he is undergoing, what is the treatment aspect all about in implant practice. He must know what we are going to do. He must know, the patient must know the procedure what we are going to do. So for such all those things, you need to explain the patient what you are going to do through models or through some pictures or through videos. You show them your cases, you show them some videos on YouTube, or you show your own cases, or you show some models about the dental implants which you have in your clinic. So all these things will motivate the patients in some way, and also it will help the patient to understand what he is undergoing. I mean, what is the treatment he is undergoing for this particular problem what he is facing. So basically for all the patients, the dental implant procedures will be cost effective compared to the other treatment modalities. If it is one or two teeth missing, or is a partially edentulous area where you are going to place a few implants, so the charges will be less compared to the full mouth cases. In such cases, patients will agree. Whereas in full mouth cases, you have to convince the patient and you have to explain the patient about what treatment you are going to do, and what kind of implants you are going to do, and how many implants you are going to do, so how long will be the treatment. So how about the masticatory thing after the completion of the treatment, from when the patient can start chewing, all these things we have to explain earlier, prior to start of this surgical procedure. And also you have to make the patient comfortable on the dental chair while doing your implant treatment. So always talk to the patient after each step. Ask about how he is feeling. So the patient has to express if there is a pain or whatever the feelings. Don't be you have to communicate with the patient and continue your dental implant practice. So that is in one way you will take the patient by your side, means you motivate the patient, and also the patient will feel comfortable on the chair while you are placing the implant. So you just speak to the patient and follow the procedures. When it comes to full mouth cases, it's hard for all the doctors. It's hard only to convince the patient for the full mouth rehabilitation cases, because we use many implants in basal implantology. Some 18 to 20 implants we are going to choose, and also the processes may be the hybrid denture or PFM processes or zirconia processes or whatever. So the cost will be both for the implant as well as the processes. So the dentist will come across many expenses. So all these things should be explained to the patient. So I have to explain about the charges and the quality of implant you are going to use. All these things should be explained. So if you can explain all these things to the patient through the models, through the pictures, through videos, patient will agree, and he will be ready to go for